My name is Francis Joyce, and I'm a fourth-year PhD candidate in the Environmental Studies Department at UC Santa Cruz, where I work with Dr. Karen Hull. I grew up in Monterrey, Costa Rica, and attended Bowdoin College for undergrad, where I majored in biology and minored in Latin American studies. I'll be sharing some preliminary results from the second chapter of my dissertation on how wildlife can affect tropical forest restoration. Deforestation is a major threat to biodiversity and a huge source of carbon emissions globally. Degraded land can actually be reforested relatively quickly by planting native trees, but regaining a diversity of old growth species which have denser wood and store more carbon is a big challenge. Mammals and birds can affect which tree species recover in what numbers by dispersing seeds. Mammals and birds can affect which tree species recover by dispersing seeds, but also through seed predation, or eating and killing seeds. But restoration sites usually lack the full complement of wildlife species. So what might this mean for restored forests in human-dominated landscapes? To find out, I'm running a field experiment in southern Costa Rica, using restoration plots almost 20 years old that are spread across an agricultural landscape. My first question is, which vertebrates are preying on late successional tree seeds? And are they actually limiting seedling establishment? And second, how does seed predation in restored sites compare to nearby patches of remnant forest? To do this, I collected thousands of seeds and added them to the research plots inside and outside of cages that excluded vertebrates. I also used camera traps to detect the animals eating exposed seeds, and I monitored to see if remaining seeds survived as seedlings in the following months. My first result is that multiple vertebrate species ate exposed seeds. Though some caged seeds still died of other causes, like pathogens, protection from vertebrate predation did translate to higher seedling emergence. Surprisingly, seed predation was similar in restored and remnant forests. Even small patches of restored habitat can harbor some seed predators. So in conclusion, vertebrates have the potential to limit the recruitment of old growth species in restored forests. This isn't wholly bad because seed predation is an important natural process that can actually promote tree diversity by preventing dominance by common species. But additional efforts by land managers may be necessary when seed predation pressure is high relative to the number of seeds arriving. So with that, I'd like to thank the ARCS Foundation for your support, which has been key to my research progress by allowing me to be in the field this winter. Thank you.